Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your earbuds EDIFIER NeoDots. And firstly we need to add this volume control to the gestures, because by default you cannot change the volume. To do this you need to open EDIFIER Connect application, and of course you need to add these earbuds to the app. Then you go to the settings at the right top, and right here at the second line we have control settings. Tap at this line, and now we have the left and right earbuds, so let's get started with the left one. You can set it for the double press, triple press or press and hold. It's up to you. We have volume up and volume down buttons, so you need to tap at the one of this button, and let's say for the left earbud I wanna with the press and hold volume down my music, so I tap at the volume down. Then let's move to the right earbud, and also I wanna add it for the press and hold, so I click again at the but on the volume up, because I already have volume down, so I want volume up my music with it. Now let me play a song and let's check it. And also on the sides we have touch areas right here and right here. So I need to firstly let's check the left one. I'm pressing hold, and as you can at this widget I increase the volume. Now let's check the left one. I press and hold on my left earbud and I should lower the volume. Okay, maybe let's try again. Press and hold. Maybe I put it to my ear and then press and hold. Yeah, and as you can see at this widget I lower the volume. So it works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!